Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that is crucial for anyone navigating the complex world of immigration: accuracy. You might be wondering, with so much at stake, how do immigration law firms make sure every single detail is correct? It's a great question, and the answer involves a combination of specialized expertise, rigorous processes, and advanced technology. Getting immigration paperwork right isn't just about filling out forms. It's about building a future. A tiny mistake, a missed deadline, or a misinterpreted question can lead to devastating consequences like delays, denials, or even legal trouble. That's why professional law firms don't leave anything to chance. Let us pull back the curtain and explore the meticulous systems they have in place to ensure everything is perfect. First and foremost, it all starts with the people. Immigration law is an incredibly specialized field. It's constantly changing, with new policies, court rulings, and procedural updates happening all the time. A reputable firm invests heavily in a team of highly qualified professionals. This isn't just about having a law degree. We're talking about lawyers and paralegals who live and breathe immigration law. They dedicate their careers to understanding its nuances. Many attorneys are members of professional organizations like the American Immigration Lawyers Association, or ALA. This membership isn't just a plaque on the wall. It provides access to a constant stream of updates, training seminars, and a network of fellow experts. This commitment to continuous education is the first line of defense against errors. They know which forms are outdated, what new evidence is required, and how a recent policy shift might affect your specific case. This deep, up-to-the-minute knowledge prevents the kind of mistakes that can arise from using old information or misunderstanding a complex legal requirement. Next, let's talk about the process. A good immigration law firm operates like a well-oiled machine, and a key part of that machine is the multi-stage review process. Your case file will almost never be handled by just one person from start to finish. Instead, it passes through several pairs of expert eyes. It typically starts with a paralegal or legal assistant who specializes in gathering and organizing your information. They are trained to spot inconsistencies in dates, names, or the documents you provide. They'll work with you to compile everything needed, from birth certificates and financial records to employment letters and personal statements. Once this initial package is assembled, it doesn't go straight to the government. Not even close. It first goes to a senior paralegal or a junior attorney for a thorough review. This person cross-references every piece of data, checks for completeness, and ensures the narrative of your case is clear and consistent. They're looking for red flags that the initial preparer might have missed, but it doesn't stop there. After that second look, the entire file is then handed over to the lead attorney on the case. This is where the highest level of legal scrutiny comes in. The lead attorney reviews the case not just for factual accuracy, but for legal strategy. They're asking bigger questions. Is this the strongest argument we can make? Have we addressed all potential weaknesses in the case? Is there a different visa category that might be more suitable? This layered approach, often called the two-person rule or even a three- or four-person rule, creates multiple safety nets. Each person brings a fresh perspective and a different level of expertise, dramatically reducing the chance of human error. It's a system of checks and balances designed to catch any mistake, no matter how small, before your application ever leaves the office. This internal peer review is a hallmark of a quality-focused firm. Now, let's bring technology into the picture. In the 21st century, top immigration firms are leveraging powerful software to enhance accuracy and efficiency. They use specialized case management software designed specifically for immigration law. This isn't just a simple calendar or contact list. These systems are incredibly sophisticated. For starters, they contain libraries of the most up-to-date immigration forms from USCIS, the Department of State, and other agencies. When a form is updated, the software is updated too, ensuring the firm is never using an obsolete version. More importantly, this software uses a fill once methodology. You provide your personal information like your name, date of birth, and address one time. The software then automatically populates that information across all the different forms required for your case. This simple feature is a game changer for accuracy. It eliminates the risk of typos that can happen when someone has to manually retype the same information over and over again on dozens of different pages. A simple slip of the finger, transposing two numbers in a birth date, can cause huge problems. Smart software prevents that. Furthermore, these systems have built-in validation and error-checking features. They can flag empty fields that are required, point out date formats that don't match government standards, and even calculate things like the number of days you've been physically present in a country, which is critical for many applications. Immigration cases are full of critical dates, filing deadlines, expiration dates for your current status, and deadlines to respond to government requests for more evidence. Case management software tracks all of these automatically, sending alerts to the legal team well in advance. This technological safety net ensures that a crucial deadline is never missed due to a simple oversight. It's an indispensable tool for managing the high volume of detailed information that defines immigration work. Another critical component of ensuring accuracy is client communication. A law firm can have the best experts and the best technology, but if they don't have the correct information from you, the client, the application will be flawed. That's why reputable firms have structured and systematic ways of gathering your personal history and documents. They don't just ask you to send over your stuff, they provide detailed, customized checklists and comprehensive questionnaire. These aren't generic forms. They are tailored to your specific case type. For example, the information needed for a marriage-based green card is vastly different from what is needed for an employment-based visa or an asylum application. These questionnaires are designed to jog your memory and prompt you for details you might not have realized were important. They will ask for exact dates of international travel, previous addresses, and family information in a way that leaves no room for ambiguity. After you've filled everything out, the process doesn't end. A good paralegal or attorney will then schedule a meeting with you to go over your answers in detail. This is their chance to ask follow-up questions, clarify any confusing points, and dig deeper into your history. They might ask, "I see a gap in your employment history here. Can you tell me what you were doing during those months? Or you mentioned a previous marriage. Do you have the official divorce decree?" This back-and-forth dialogue is essential for building a complete and truthful picture of your situation. Finally, before anything is submitted, the firm will have you conduct a final review of the entire application package. They will sit down with you and go through every single page, every form, and every supporting document. This is your last chance to confirm that everything is 100% accurate. You are the ultimate expert on your own life, and this collaborative final check ensures that your expertise is fully leveraged to make the application perfect. So, to sum it all up, ensuring accuracy in immigration law is a multifaceted, systematic effort. It's not one single thing, but a combination of powerful strategies working together. It starts with having a team of dedicated legal experts who are committed to continuous education in this ever-changing field. It's reinforced by a rigorous, multi-stage internal review process where several pairs of eyes check and double-check every detail. This human expertise is then amplified by sophisticated technology and case management software that automates tasks, prevents data entry errors, and tracks critical deadlines. And finally, it's all grounded in a clear, structured communication process with you, the client, to ensure the foundational information is correct from the very beginning. When you hire a high-quality immigration law firm, you're not just paying for legal advice. You're investing in a comprehensive system of quality control designed to protect your future. It's this meticulous attention to detail that makes all the difference. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gives you a clearer picture of the hard work and dedication that goes on behind the scenes to prepare a successful immigration application. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We'll see ya in the next video.